Imagine market-moving news breaks, and before you finish reading the headline, trades are executed, profits secured, prices adjusted. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality shaped by natural language processing, or NLP, in today's financial markets. Algorithms effectively read the market's pulse through vast information streams. Today, we dive into how these algorithms leverage NLP to trade news, often before human eyes can process it. Welcome to the invisible battlefield, where information is currency and speed is paramount. For decades, traders relied on fundamental analysis, poring over financial reports and newswires. But in the lightning-fast world of electronic trading, human reaction times are a severe handicap. A single tweet or breaking news alert can trigger massive market shifts in milliseconds. By the time a human reads, comprehends, and places an order, the opportunity often vanishes. This inherent delay creates an exploitable gap, a window algorithms are perfectly designed to fill, transforming human slowness into an overwhelming algorithmic advantage. So, what exactly is NLP? It's a branch of artificial intelligence that gives computers the ability to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Think of it as teaching a machine to read and comprehend text, much like we do, but at an unprecedented scale. From sentiment analysis, gauging emotional tone, to identifying specific entities like company names, NLP breaks down complex, unstructured human communication into quantifiable, structured data points, ready for algorithmic consumption. When news breaks, an NLP algorithm doesn't read it like a human. Instead, it processes text through computational steps. Tokenization breaks sentences into words. Sentiment analysis then assigns a numerical score, positive, negative, or neutral, to the message or keywords. Entity recognition simultaneously identifies and categorizes mentions of companies or products. Keyword extraction pulls crucial terms, allowing the system to grasp the core subject matter instantly. This happens at incredible scale, analyzing thousands of sources almost instantaneously, far exceeding human capacity. The true magic happens when processed text transforms into actionable data. Imagine a news report about a company's unexpected earnings. NLP doesn't just identify the company, it extracts sentiment, pinpoints specific financial figures, and categorizes the news event, perhaps as a positive surprise. This structured output, a numerical sentiment score, a list of affected assets, a predefined event type, is then fed directly into an algorithmic trading model. No human interpretation is needed. It's a direct, automated pipeline from information ingestion to high-speed trading signal generation, enabling instant market reaction. NLP-driven trading strategies are diverse. High-frequency trading firms utilize it to detect subtle micro-sentiment shifts from social media, executing trades in fractions of a second. Event-driven strategies identify specific corporate actions, like mergers or acquisitions, directly from press releases, translating these into immediate trading signals. Another powerful approach involves monitoring long-term sentiment trends for entire sectors or asset classes. By building a cumulative score from continuous news analysis, algorithms help predict future performance. It's about capturing the essence of market mood at an unprecedented scale. The primary advantages of NLP in trading are undeniable: unparalleled speed and immense scale. A human analyst can read perhaps a dozen articles an hour. An NLP algorithm processes thousands, even millions of texts in the same time frame, instantly detecting patterns and correlations invisible to humans. This rapid processing means algorithms react to breaking news long before any human trader can, capitalizing on fleeting opportunities. Furthermore, their decisions are entirely data-driven, devoid of human biases, leading to far more consistent and disciplined execution strategies. Despite their formidable power, NLP algorithms are not infallible. They often struggle with nuances like sarcasm, irony, or highly contextual phrases. A perfectly innocent phrase might be misconstrued if it contains words typically associated with negative sentiment. Data quality is paramount. Noisy or irrelevant data can lead to erroneous interpretations and costly, misguided trades. Furthermore, these sophisticated models require constant training and updating to keep pace with new slang, emerging topics, and the ever-changing landscape of human communication and market dynamics. The future of NLP in trading is incredibly dynamic. We're moving beyond basic sentiment analysis to sophisticated models that understand intricate context, identify complex causal relationships, and even generate synthetic news to test market reactions. Advanced techniques, particularly those leveraging large language models, are proving game changers, offering deeper comprehension and predictive power. Integration with other AI domains, like reinforcement learning, will further create more adaptive and autonomous trading systems. The goal, not just to read news, but to understand its full implications and accurately predict ripple effects across the global financial market. The intuition behind NLP for trading boils down to one powerful truth.
Information is power, and speed is its ultimate amplifier in financial markets. Algorithms are fundamentally changing how markets react to news, transforming the slow, human-centric process into an automated, lightning-fast, and highly efficient one. As these revolutionary technologies continue to advance, the gap between human and algorithmic trading will only widen. Understanding NLP is therefore not just an academic exercise, but a critical insight into the very future of finance itself. The news doesn't wait, algorithms ensure the market doesn't either.